Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off automatically connecting to Wi-Fi while we are at a specific location. So where to look for this option and how to disable it. First of all, we need to open our settings. Then we need to go to Network, next Wi-Fi, then Network Preferences, and here we have our option, turn on Wi-Fi automatically. We have short explanation here, but if we want to turn this option off, it's a simple on or off switch. We can just uncheck this box and now it won't connect automatically when we are at home or at work or wherever we set up our location. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.